Hello everyone, greetings from the Interclean in Amsterdam 2018. Diversey is leading the digital revolution in our industry. Nobody else has done it. We create a unique ecosystem of digital and smart objects.
Well, IntelliLinen is the ultimate solution for any laundry manager, whether you're based in a hotel or a healthcare site.
Being a one-product company always challenges you have to make the customer interested in your single technology. Now being part of Diversey offers a broader perspective of different products and different solutions.
IntelliCare is a whole new platform to reimagine hand hygiene based on a unique set of dispensers with a hybrid functionality and many other benefits, with a really complete range of products available all around the world.
I am always excited to be at Interclean, but for 2018 it is even more exciting than ever before, because in the 50-year history of Interclean, they are fully embracing healthcare for the first time.
Well, the new TASKI Aero vacuum cleaner generation is really based on the 65 years of experience we have with a lot of customer inputs. And at the end, it's just the best vacuum TASKI ever made. From TASKI, we are showing a lot of new innovations, small innovations, big innovations, future innovations. And I think whatever visitor will coming to us, he will see something for his special needs in whatever sector he is working for.
Diversey has had a phenomenal show. We've been able to introduce our new brand, the new company, the new logo. See you at the next Interclean.